This video will be how to store grades, take a snapshot of grade books, and to export that data into an Excel file for printing. I'm in school, Delta Schoolcraft ISD. I am going to go to System and Grades. You go to Permanently Store Grades. Quarter one, or change it to quarter two or semester. That's in the flyer. Nothing, just leave all that blank. These I usually go store with no credit. That actually generates a file for 18-19, semester one, quarter one. Then we come down here, all schools. Again, just sort of leaving this stuff as is. I think there was some options for percentages. I'd have to look. I can't recall. Moving forward, we hit submit. You can see 517 grades were stored, or updated rather, because I had previously stored these. So there is a file out there waiting for us. We have to go find it. This part is about viewing the records that we created. We go to stored grades. Actually, we'll select all the data in that table. From there, we can come down and go to term ID, greater or equal than 2800 for the year 18-19. Here we go to store code, and that's just going to equal quarter one. We'll go ahead and search all those records. Current records are actually 517 records. I go to exporting. I want to export those records. This has already been pre-populated, but I use the exact things that are in here. I want the student ID. I can pick that from this list. I can pick this, and this from that drop-down. If it doesn't exist in the drop-down, we have other tables in the help files. We can use a open closed square bracket with the 1 in it at first. That's a true statement, and then we use the actual just text from the fields that we would want to enter that don't show up on this drop down. In this case, the last name, first name, you'd think it'd be in there, and the student number, which is going to get us the where the student is from, which school. Up here, we're going to use so this drop down is how to populate this list. This is going to be the top row of our Excel file. At this point, it's tab delimited. Just leave this stuff as is. So that gave us a text file. I can open that text file in an Excel spreadsheet. Choosing all files, date modified, stored grades. Just hit finish, and it arranges things in this sense. So here you can see my fields. I've got student ID, last name, first name. Student number is going to be important. I'm going to come up here, make it an actual number, get rid of the decimal place. I should be able to organize these then by which school students came from. There's the course name, the grades, 4s, 3s, 2s, 1s, grade level, teacher name. I can sort all of this data using the data tab, sort and add fields, sorting by probably student number first. That'll organize them alphabetically, last name, first name, teacher name, so on and so forth. And we generate our Excel spreadsheets that way that we can get signed by teachers and send off to schools. Thank you very much.